Hello friends, we're back with another River Day with Russ and Brent. Today's episode, we're with the Gila County Sheriff's Office or Fire Department. We're not really sure which one it is, but we're gonna find out. Brent, this should be a segment. We could call it Dirty Dancing with the Dodges. It's cold and I'm alone! Oh boy. Uh-oh! I didn't listen! Now I'm swimming! Save me! It's all gone terribly wrong! I'm coming to you, Mr. Rescuer.
Turn around.
Why?
Face downstream.
Why?
Face downstream.
Why?
Turn your back to me.
I don't want to.
Turn your back to me.
Save me, Mr. Rescuer!
Turn around.
I can't!
Turn around.
I can't!
Turn around. Listen to me. Turn around.
No!
Throw back. Look that way.
Okay.
Throwback.
What's a throwback? As we travel down the beautiful Colorado River, the water is an approximate 40 degrees. As you see, the rescue team didn't exactly get us. That's okay. They did their best. That's all that matters. Yeah. No, that sandbar gave out. No, we're still going. I'm gonna go cause some more mayhem. That sandbar gave out.
I see the call, like, well, this is a little premature, but okay.
Hi friends, we're here with my boy Mr. B. Young. I'm supposed to go up to them. Join us friends as we go back in time. Are you guys the rescue team?
We are the rescue team.
I see that. I think I'm coming to you. Oh, they got quite the variety with you guys. He looks like he's 12.
I'm gonna grab you, I'm gonna pull you in the boat.
Well, the last time he said that, it didn't work out.
Huh?
Last time he said he was gonna grab me, he didn't.
We're gonna grab you.
Actually, he grabbed me really rudely.
We haven't got to him yet.
He did not get to me yet. Hey, there's my guy.
Come on, guys.
Hey, aren't you supposed to be the rescuer? It's that little kid you're with. He distracted you, didn't he?
Pull us over.
Yeah, pull us over. Oh, did you get my friends?
Yep, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. They're my friends. How can I not worry about it?
We just took out from behind
That's kind of rude. Hey, this kid's not very nice.
Alright, we're gonna get you in, alright?
I hope
We're gonna
so.
duck you in and then we're gonna pull you up.
Oh,
One, two.
Ah, you guys aren't very strong, are you? Oh.
Got killed.
Okay, you want me in or out? Because I'm getting mixed signals
Once
here.
you're in the boat.
Okay. Alright, we're getting in. Okay.
Well, we off the input. We're gonna get your friend.
Your friends aren't very nice. I called you a kid, you didn't have to push. Alright. Okay.
Got killed? Yep.
Yeah. You okay, bearded goddess? I don't know, man. I don't think they're real rescuers. The cops would have done better. I don't know what they're doing. They said you're like an excellent swimmer. We were impressed. He said you were like the Dwayne Johnson of Baywatch. That's how impressed they were with you. Yeah, we're lying. You're terrible. Where's the motor on this thing?
We don't have a motor.
It's right here.
Are you poor? Aha, you guys are. It's okay.
Hey, I need a
poor,
paddle
just
whenever
say
you got
you're
it.
poor.
Oops, sorry.
Whoa! You almost smacked Grandpa in the face.
Yeah, I did.
Hey, are you gonna take that from him?
Customer's got to
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm coming back.
Wow! You really smacked it. Hey, where's your chief or captain? Huh?
Okay, you know, uphill, guys. This is a big thing.
Let me know what you want.
So,
I didn't catch your name. What's your name?
yeah, this thing's gonna try
You,
and bring
Bradley.
water, so go that way.
What about that bearded goddess right there? What's his name? He looks like a
Caleb.
Toby. Is he a Toby?
You got it, dude. On your back! On your back! Lay on your back! On your back, please. Lay on your back.
We can still be friends.
I'm trying to help you. You need you on your back.
Okay.
I need you to let go of me, and I need you on your back.
But I'm cold and scared.
I know. I need you
Okay.
on your back, okay?
I don't think that's a good idea.
Okay, I need you on your back, okay?
Okay.
I need you on your back. On your back, and I need you to turn this way.
You said on my back. Turn what way? Bradley, I don't think this is working.
Going close to shore. Hang on.
Okay. I'm not going anywhere, Bradley.
You got the boat right behind you.
Okay, I'm still on my back.
All right. Right here. You guys grab him. I need you to let go. My guys are going to get you, okay?
Right here, Caleb.
I need you to let go.
Okay.
Unless you want me
We
to
got
move
you.
back.
Okay, Bradley, I believe you.
I got him.
You guys got it?
We got you, man.
Okay.
All right, guys.
You good?
Yeah. You guys want to go closer to shore?
Yeah.
Because I'm touching the bottom right now. Good job. Stay on your back. All
Okay. I'm staying, Bradley.
right, hang on.
I
Are
feel
you
like
able?
this communication would have been
Hey.
good from the start.
Grab the rope, Caleb.
Bro. Bradley, you're not giving me very precise precision here. What do you want from me?
I can't have you pushing me out of the boat.
Huh?
I can't have you pushing me out
I
of the boat.
didn't. We hit a bump and I got scared and I grabbed you. Those waves were big, Bradley.
Are you going to stay calm?
I was calm until we hit that wave. Then it got
Stay
weird.
calm if we're going to do this again.
Okay, we can try again.
baby.
You okay?
I'm great. How are you?
Doing all right.
Okay. You guys are a good team.
Well,
Your rescue precision's on tapped.
All right, so we're gonna need you to sit in the middle of the boat.
Okay.
Keep your hands to yourself.
Ah, you got it. We avoid those big waves. It's on. You got it.
We'll avoid the big waves.
Okay.
All right. Watch the infant. Oh, I don't want to do that. Where's that infant?
where are you going? He said sit in the middle.
It's gonna sit right here. Right in the middle of the boat.
Hey, you
First
know
class,
what?
man.
How do you feel about, instead of going where these rocks are, let's just go out to this eddy
Hey!
where
I'm back!
safety is.
They didn't
And
do
we'll
very
just walk them
good.
up.
Yeah. All right.
You like
They
that?
didn't.
Alright.
I think they're the B team.
Huh?
This is YCSO's B team, I think.
I think they crashed the short bus.
Oh, that's an insult to the short bus.
Alright, you like
Caleb here made me go for a swim. Hey, this is Caleb! Caleb, this is my husband, Brent.
my patient over here pushed me off.
Oh wait, no, that's Bradley, that's Caleb. Look at his beard.
You almost drowned you too?
Dude, I know.
Alright, Bryce.
This is Grandpa.
We're just gonna
Me and
go
Grandpa have been
straight
getting really good acquaintances.
We're gonna walk them up and then we'll
I haven't got the kid's name though.
So we'll try to
Are you old enough to be here?
just directly across.
To get you a permission slip or something?
My mom had to sign my permission slip.
Ah, mine too, don't worry.
Caleb, whatever you want.
All right, let's do that.
Your seat.
Just try to work
Yeah.
straight across.
Caleb,
I can still
whatever
walk
you
through the
want.
shallow. Do you want me to be a second throw bag down there so you get them across?
Hey, yeah, what are those?
have another rescuer over there that's not participating.
Yeah, hey, get Josh over here.
Oh, who's Josh? Another one?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay.
Hey Josh, we got a victim or a rescuer?
At
Yeah,
this
right?
point, I'm gonna be the rescuer. I got close.
I'm gonna tie your feet in this boat.
Whoa! Grandpa's getting excited now. All right.
Well, we still need upriver spotter, right? I can be upstream. So you guys gotta cross the other.
All right, straight to the eddy,
Yeah.
and then
straight across.
we'll walk them up.
Yeah, I can still roll a little bit. hang on to her.
What's your name?
Who's asking?
Me.
Rico.
Rico? Are you gonna stay calm for me?
Rico, I was calm till you guys hit that wave, and then I bumped into you. That was on you. And then I saw you go in, and I felt obligated to come after you because your buddies aren't doing very well about it.
If we hit another wave, are you gonna stay calm?
I'll try to, unless you go in the water again. Then I'm gonna come after you again. That's science.
Are you ready?
All right.
We'll have you. Up there. I'll go right here.
Okay. Cool.
You ready? Or this is the rear, right? Yeah. Do you want to be in the? Okay.
Hey, how can I score one of these cool paddles? I don't know where the baby is. I don't think they got George either. And George is still chilling, is he? Did you guys get George?
I'm George.
Or is it Jorge?
Either whatever.
I can't remember where we picked him up.
To the shore, I'll be whatever you want.
Huh. Not anything.
You're in the back? You want me in the back? I don't know. Is that?
How do you know what the back is?
Yeah, you want to get in the boat? Can you do the tandem by yourself? Yeah. All right.
Yeah, you can't. Look at those muscles.
You still have another victim here.
Brent, you the victim?
You guys are just gonna leave my boy. Well, he's not just standing there for his health, Caleb.
So, you also have a tandem there. Yeah. Can, we get a lot of gear and it wants to stay dry, right?
Ferry angle, Caleb. Caleb, ferry angle. Ferry angle, Caleb. Ferry angle, Caleb. Not really, no.
Angle to the left.
To the left, to the left. Everybody but Caleb working his best. Oh, we're not gonna make it again. Help me, firefighter.
Left turn, guys.
Help me.
Left turn, left turn.
Throw it. I'll catch it, yeah.
No.
Throw it.
No.
Throw it.
Don't listen to him.
I almost got him to throw it.
Hey, I'm gonna jump out. I'll grab the boat.
All right, please do.
I almost got you. You're cute. Who are you? Where'd you come from?
It's too competitive.
I'm chilling, man.
Yeah, put him down, Vic. Damn baby.
Stop, playa.
How you doing, sir?
Who are you?
We got a liquored up victim here. Are you under the influence, sir?
That's not important. Oh, who are you?
Who are you?
I like that cute little mustache. You the captain?
Nope.
Yeah, you look like one. All right, Brett, I got a question for you. So, they say that 70% of the earth is covered in water, but when you think about it, underneath all that water is just more earth. So really, there's not more water on the earth than earth. Brent, that's been keeping me up at night, and I need a diver's answer on that. That is kind of deep. Huh. That's serendipitous.